So I wanted to make this video because I know I have a lot of Indian viewers. I know I have a lot of people all throughout Africa that watch me, Southeast Asia, and a bit of Latin America, and a lot of people from third world countries that try to make it. And it's a real struggle because if you're not from a privileged place like me, it can be a struggle in life. I know, but at the end, brothers, it's all about the mindset. It's all about the character. It doesn't matter where you're from. If you got some resources, you'll be able to achieve it. And I'm not just making this video for motivation or just to sell you the dream, but it's the truth. And it's also the opposite of that, because a lot of you motherfuckers just beg and cry on my DMs. And so some of you might say, well, it's easy for you to talk because you come from Europe and you made it. But what if I was from your place? Would you think I would take more time to make it, or would I take less time to make it? I would argue it would take me less time to make it because I wouldn't be as comfortable as I would back in my hometown. It all depends on the character, brothers. It all depends on the mindset, if you got the hustler mindset or not. Because if I looked around me and all was shit, and I was living cockroaches in my bed, and my situation was fucked, and my brothers and sisters and family couldn't eat, I would be fucked, man. I would work twice as hard, or 3 times, or 10 times, and I wouldn't spend my time on fucking YouTube and watch this series and all that. I would be working twice as hard. And then it's with prop firms, it's some of you also might have the excuse of, oh well, but like we don't have enough money to go towards the capital that you would, like 50k, 100k, and those accounts. But with prop firms, it all depends on the proportion and how much is the cost of living in your country. For example, let's take my example. I come from Portugal, right? Average salary, it's like $1,000, let's say. In order for me to have a significant change in my financial life, let's say I would need a 50k that could provide 2%, which is $1,000. That 50k is gonna cost $200, which is 20% of my paycheck. Okay? Now let's say you're from a country where your average salary is $250. All you need is a 10k to make a significant change in your life. And that 10k costs like $50, which is 20% of your paycheck. So the amounts might be different, but the cost of living are also different. And so it's all about proportion. So yes, you might have less funding, but your cost of living is also a lot cheaper. Again, after it's going to depend, like, of course, the resources, the quality of life. But man, at the end, it's all about your work ethic and your mindset. Like, I have people from third world countries in my community. You can join. Maybe if you shout out your country, you might find some traders from your country. I have traders from third world countries that are making it happen. All right? And I have others that are just begging. They just crying. They say they want it, but they just want to beg. They don't make things happen. If I try to ask them, are you working towards your shit? No, I just want you to give me a problem challenge. I can't learn how to trade without that problem challenge, bro. I need that problem challenge. What would you want me to make it? What would you want me to do? Like, do you think me giving them a problem challenge is gonna help them? I'm probably just burning my money, because they will most likely just blow it, because they don't work towards being profitable. They just gambling. They just want to get rich quick. And there are the other guys that are in the same situation, the same fucked up countries, but they making it happen. They working towards it. They say, nah, I'm a man. I'm a work towards my shit. I'm gonna work for my shit. I'm gonna get profitable. I'm gonna study, and I'm gonna make it. There's the resource part argument you could have. But yeah, I'm poor. I don't have money for this, for that. I mean, you have a phone and internet, right? Because you clearly have those resources to text me and fucking beg. So you do have the resources to learn how to trade. You're just making excuses. You're just making excuses. And no matter if you're from the first world country or third world country, there will always be bitches. There will always be bitches complaining. But if you got the mindset, and if your situation is fucked, you might actually be more privileged than the guy from a first world country that's already privileged in a nice situation. Because he might be super comfortable and he might not move a finger. But you are every single day working towards your motherfucking goal. And you will beat him. Like, it doesn't matter, bro. Like, you could be from a third world country, but, I mean, there's plenty of guys in first world countries that are just losers, bro. They out there smoking weed, sleeping all day, playing PlayStation, bro. At the end, it's all about mindset, bro. It's all about character. If you're a hustler or not. And like I told you, like with problems, it's totally possible. Like the guy from a first world country might need a 50K or 100K. You just need a 10K. And it's all proportion to your paycheck, for example, to the money you can get. And at the end, we're all humans. And trading is mostly about psychology. So, bro, there's no difference. There's no difference between us. I mean, the emotions of each trader is going to be different, but at the end, we're all humans. So, I think you get the point of where I'm going. At the end, it's all about your mindset, and it's all about your emotions. Okay? Just focus on working on yourself. If you haven't been in my comments begging, that's awesome. Right? Because the beggars, I never see them active on my group. I never see them active on my group, fucking throwing out their analysis, asking questions, asking this. No, I just see them in my DMs talking about give me some profit challenge. But the others, they're working towards their shit. And they don't even need to get on my mentorship. They don't need to even buy my course. Because they put in the work so much, they could see my YouTube videos and they made it. Because the truth is, you don't even have to pay for a mentorship. I mean, the mentorship is good to really fast track the progress and get you to profitability super quick. But if you don't have the money, even if you're willing to put in the work, I mean, you gotta put in the work in both. Either you get the mentorship or not. But if you're willing to put in the work and watch all the YouTube videos and go through all the shit, I mean, it's not shit, but like, there's a bunch of sauce and bunch of things everywhere, and it's not like well organized like it would be in a mentorship. But if you're willing to go through all that and learn, definitely possible. Definitely possible. We got guys from countries in Africa that's making it happen. We got guys from Nepal that's making it happen. We got guys from Indonesia that's making it happen. What's your excuse? I mean, are you from North Korea? Okay. Stop crying.